Remove the mattress. Unclip the front panel from the side panel and zip up the opening panel. Unhook the compartment from the underside of the bed base. Unzip all 4 corners of the Siesta fabric. Unfasten the buckles at all 4 corners. Lift the Siesta fabric up and off the bars. Zip the 4 corners back up and then roll up the fabric neatly and set aside. Remove the foam topper from the bed base. Unscrew and remove all M8 flange nuts and remove the spring nuts from the uprights. Slide the uprights free of the T-bolts and remove the T-bolts from the corner brackets. Lift the uprights away from the bed base and repeat this process for all 4 bars.